Atherosclerosis is a serious condition caused by plaque buildup in the arteries, which is made of calcium, fat, and cholesterol. Over time, this plaque hardens, narrowing the arteries and restricting oxygenated blood flow to vital organs. This can lead to severe health issues like heart attacks, strokes, and even death. Atherosclerosis can affect any artery, including those in the kidneys, lungs, heart, brain, arms, and legs. This can result in diseases such as coronary heart disease and carotid artery disease, the latter of which can lead to a stroke if blood flow to the neck is reduced. The best way to treat atherosclerosis is by avoiding risk factors and leading a healthy lifestyle. Modern medicine offers treatments that can manage the disease and extend life, but atherosclerosis remains common. It develops over time due to genetics, diet, and lifestyle. However, certain foods can help reduce arterial plaque, including the following. 1. Garlic. It is well known that adding garlic to your diet has numerous health benefits. Consumption of garlic in moderation can prevent abnormal blood clots and reduce the rate at which plaques develop and build up in the arteries. It contains diallyl trisulfide from garlic oil, which protects the heart from a heart attack. Garlic also comes with antibacterial qualities. It offers a range of health benefits from improved cholesterol levels to blood thinning and lowering of blood pressure, which all contribute in tandem to prevent clogged arteries. 2. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and flavonoid antioxidants, which support cardiovascular health. They can enhance cognitive function, protect against cancer, and lower blood pressure. Research shows that berries may benefit atherosclerosis patients by preventing plaque buildup, reducing inflammation, and lowering cholesterol. They also help prevent high blood pressure and ensure better blood flow. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another one of the foods that get rid of plaques in arteries. It contains fatty acids that help your body burn fat while providing reasonable amounts of energy. Although it is from the family of saturated fats, coconut oil is potent in fighting against the buildup of plaques in the arteries. They also raise the good cholesterol in your blood and prevent atherosclerosis. 4. Onions. Onions, belonging to the allium genus like garlic, offer numerous health benefits. Diets rich in onions can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Onions also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, contributing to improved bone and artery health, lower blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of cancer. 5. Lemon. Lemon is exceptionally filled with several health benefits, as they are rich in plant compounds, fiber, and vitamin C. Eating lemon can be helpful in the prevention of heart disease, and it is also very effective in unclogging arteries. Drinking lemon water daily can reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, aid healthy arteries, and prevent oxidative damage. The benefits of lemon also include weight loss, prevention of kidney stones, reduced risk of cancer, protection from anemia, and enhanced digestive health. 6. Dark chocolate. A study shows that regular consumption of dark chocolate can lower the risk of coronary heart disease and help clear plaque from arteries. Rich in iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, fiber, and powerful antioxidants, dark chocolate also promotes better blood flow. Reduces blood pressure, protects LDL from oxidation, and improves skin health by shielding it from the sun. However, moderation is key, as dark chocolate contains a significant amount of sugar. A healthy diet filled with nutrient-giving foods is always beneficial for your body. The foods listed above will not only help you alleviate plaques in the arteries but can also offer you additional health benefits. Other types of foods that get rid of plaque in arteries include olive oil, pomegranates, leafy greens, and beets.